Hello everyone, welcome to the Maths class. Today we're going to be talking about change of subjects. Change of subjects in our class today. And what's the meaning of change of subjects? That's what we're going to be today. Today we're going to explain it and we're going to use example to illustrate what is the meaning of change of subjects. On the board we have here change of subjects refer to rearrange an equation or formula to solve for a different variables. I repeat, change of subject refer to rearrange an equation or formula to solve different variable. It involves manipulating the equation to isolate the variable you want to find. So that's the simple meaning of change of subject. So we're going to give an example to illustrate what's the meaning of change of subject. What's the meaning of change of subject? Now the example here is make P the change of subject when I is equals to P arrow T over 100. Now this formula is used to calculate the simple interest, but here we are asked to make P change of subject. Now if you want to make this change of P the change of subject, now the first step to do, since we are looking for P, we are finding a way to isolate P from these different variables. So the first thing to do, you cross multiply. That's the first step. You cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you say 1 times P arrow T, P arrow 2, 1 times P arrow T. The next is I times 100, I times 100, and that's the first step. Now the next thing to do, remember we are looking for P, so 1 times P arrow T, it will give us P arrow T equals to what? 100 I. So since we are looking for P, we are going to divide, we want to isolate P, we divide both sides by arrow T, divide both sides by arrow T. So this arrow will cancel this arrow, T will cancel this T. So our final answer becomes to P is equals to 100 I over what? Arrow T. This becomes our final answer. So you can see from this explanation, we have isolate the P from the entire formula. So you can see it boils down to this place which says involving in manipulating the equation to isolate the variable you want. So for this question we are looking for what P is the P we want to isolate, and we follow this step and we arrive at this answer. Thank you for watching my class. Until we see in the next class. Bye bye.